All right, so in observing your work, what you did was you multiplied these two across, and then you cross multiplied the top two. All right, and so in that, that's going to make u, or 20 times u plus 4 plus 3 times, and I'm going to go ahead and break this down, and I'll show you the factorings that'll break it down, is going to be over here on the side. And what we're going to do is I'm going to factor this down, which is going to be u squared plus 0u minus 16, and I'm asking myself what multiplies to give me negative 16 and adds to give me 0. Okay, so logically for me to get 0, I have to have the same number up here, but they have to be opposites of each other to create 0. And so what's going to happen in my factor by grouping is this is going to become u squared plus 4u and negative 4u minus 16. Factor out of GCF is going to be u here, so it's going to be u plus 4. I'm going to factor out a negative 4 here, and that's going to leave me u plus 4 with the factors of u minus 4, u plus 4, which means that's a difference of squares. And so instead of me keeping it all together, I might revert back to this factored form, which is going to represent 16u squared, or 16 u squared minus 16. All right, and so multiplying now, this is going to become u squared minus 16 here on top. Everything on bottom is going to become u squared minus 16, and u plus 4. Okay, so now we're going to simplify it down. That right there should be the same thing if I'm combining them. Now we're going to multiply and simplify down. Okay, so up on top, we are going to get 20u plus 80 plus 3u squared minus 48. Okay, and so on bottom, when I distribute, I'm going to get u to the third plus 4u squared minus 16u minus 64. Okay. All right, and so now I'm going to combine my like terms, and then I'm going to simplify. So the bottom is combined well. The top, I'm going to rearrange. I'm going to get 3u squared plus 20u plus 32. Okay. All right, on the bottom, this is going to be u cubed plus 4u squared minus 16u minus 64. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what my factoring will allow me to do. So this will be my group right down here. That group is going to factor as u squared, and that's going to leave me u plus 4. U plus 4. This one is going to factor out a negative 16, and that's going to leave me a u plus 4. Okay, so that's going to be what my top is going to factor it out to be. My bottom, or my bottom is going to factor out to be the top. I don't think it factors any further. This bottom can also factor, whether it's going to come into play here in just a minute, as u squared minus 16, which will be what we had up here at the top, u minus 4, u plus 4, and u plus 4. Here is still our numerator. So let's see if we can factor this top. Factoring the top is going to do the AC method, which will make u squared plus 20u plus, it's like 96. So what multiplies to give 96 and adds to give 20? I need a calculator. Okay. They both have to be positive. So, clear. We'll check some numbers here, which will be 96 divided by 12. That makes 20. There it is. So it's 12, 8, 12, 8. So I plug it back into my original, which is 3u squared plus 12u plus 8u plus 32, which is my original problem. Here's my grouping. I'm going to factor out a 3u right here, and that's going to leave me with u plus 4. I'm going to factor out 8 right here. That's going to leave me u plus 4. And so my factored form is going to be 3u plus 8 u plus 4 all over u minus 4 u plus 4 u plus 4, and what I can do is cancel my plus 4s, and it leaves me 3u plus 8 all over u minus 4 u plus 4. Now that's the way you work the problem by cross multiplying. I'm going to send you another one in just a second that shows you how to break the denominator down and multiply it, and you can take out this factoring step that we did right here.